In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create realistic screaming in Elevenlabs text-to-speech. To get started, open Elevenlabs and go to the text-to-speech section from the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll set up everything needed to create a more dramatic and emotionally intense voice output. Once you are in the text-to-speech area, look over to the Settings panel on the right side. Under Settings, click on the Model option and choose the 11v3 model from the drop-down menu. This model is especially useful for this kind of effect because it's designed to handle wider emotional range and a more dynamic increase in speech intensity. In simple terms, that means it can better shift from normal speech into panic, shock, or screaming without sounding as flat or mechanical. After that, select an energetic or dramatic voice from the voice library. The voice you choose makes a big difference here. A voice with more energy and expressive tone will usually produce more convincing results than a calm or neutral one, especially if you are trying to create fear, urgency, or surprise. Next, adjust the stability setting to creative, normal, or robust, depending on the result you want. If you want the performance to feel more expressive and less predictable, creative can help. If you want a more controlled output, normal or robust may work better. This is a good setting to test a few times until the emotional delivery sounds right. Now let's talk about one of the most important parts. Elevenlabs supports inline audio tags that tell the AI how to perform specific words or reactions. You will type these tags in square brackets right before the word or phrase you want to affect. Then add your script. For example, you could write, "Gasp. Oh my God, scream. Look out behind you." Using scream tells the model to raise the intensity and pitch, helping the line sound more urgent and forceful. Using gasp helps simulate the kind of heavy breathing or shocked intake of air that naturally follows a terrified reaction. These small tags can make a huge difference in how believable the final result feels. The AI also responds strongly to formatting, so if you want to push the scream further, use capitalization, ellipses, and multiple exclamation marks. That kind of text formatting helps signal that the vocal delivery should be stretched, louder, or more emotionally charged. Take a little time to experiment with your voice choice, settings, and script formatting, because small adjustments can completely change the performance. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.